Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Bambu Lab X2D. This printer is pretty heavy and is absolutely amazing. The printer comes with a lot of protection, but I think is needed for something this amazing. Take off all the styrofoam and plastic, then we're going to get into the calibrations. It has a touchscreen comes to life, full color, clean interface. If you ever touched a Bambu printer before, you already know how this works. Select the calibrations and it's going to come to life. Absolutely amazing. First impressions about this is pretty good. The tool head has two nozzles sitting side by side. The left is a direct drive. The motor lives right onto the head. Short filament path, more precision for the model material. The right side is Bowden. The extruder motor mounts at the rear end of the machine. Connected to the PTFE tube, more power designed specifically for support material. Switching between nozzles is purely mechanical. Gears and triggers, no extra motor on the tool head. Bambu says this mechanism completely over 1 million switches in a life cycle testing without any drop in performance. 1 million switches honestly kind of motivating. The chamber seals when you run in the heat mode. It climbs to 65 degrees Celsius inside, nozzles hitting 300 degrees. This means ABS, ASA, nylon, all the engineering grade materials without the warping problems that come with an open frame printer. Flip to cool mode and it pulls in fresh air from the outside, perfect for PLA and PETG. Clean overhangs, crisp bridges, one machine, two completely operating modes. Talk dynamic flow calibration. Before every single print, the X2D runs a full self-check. It reads the nozzle's condition and temperature, filament moisture level, and extrusion motor state. All 31 sensors activate, and it adjusts automatically every time. The PMSM motor samples torque and position 20,000 times per second. This means it catches a filament jam before you see it. It responds before anything goes wrong. That's not marketing, that's engineering. The noise level on this is under 50 decibels. For a machine running at these speeds, it's just genuinely quiet. You could have a full conversation sitting next to it. So is it worth it? Let's be real about it. The X2D starts at $649 for the base unit. The combo with the AMS is $899, which is what I am running. And yeah, that's more than what most people spend on a 3D printer. But here's the thing. You're not just buying a fast printer, you're buying a completely different category of the machine. Single nozzle printers, even great ones, have a ceiling, complex overhangs. You fight with the supports. Multicolor? Yeah, you're burning through filament on porch towers. Engineering materials like ABS or nylon, you need an enclosure heated chamber and a ton of babysitting. The X2D removes every single one of those ceilings. Dual nozzle means that you support the material in different is a different filament. It peels off clean every time. No tools, no surface damage, and no frustration. That alone changes what you're willing to attempt. The heated chamber, 665 degrees Celsius, with ABS and ASA and nylon actually cool evening and comes off the plate without warping. I have avoided those materials for a long time because the headache was not worth it. On the X2D, that headache is gone. Dynamic flow calibration running 31 sensors before every print means fewer failed prints. And the failed prints are not frustration. They are wasted filament, wasted time, wasted electricity. The X2D pays for itself faster than you think about and when you stop counting failed prints. Now, is the A1 Mini dead on the desk? Absolutely not. For quicker prints, faster short contents, single one color models, the A1 Mini is an everyday workhorse. It is fast, reliable, and earns its spot. I'm not replacing it at all. But for technical builds, multi-material models, anything with complex geometry or fine details, the X2D is now the one and only machine for that job. Two printers, two completely different roles, and honestly, that setup is absolutely amazing. Bottom line, if you're serious about 3D printing and you've hit the ceiling with what nozzle machines can do, the X2D is the next step. Not a luxury buy, a compatible upgrade that earns its place. If you want to see more X2D prints and builds, please like and subscribe. Bye.